This is just one of the best days of the year, as far as I'm concerned. I'm often, when people say, "What do you do?" and I say I'm a judge at the juvenile court, their first thought is of kids in trouble and breaking the law, and I said, well, we do that, but the best thing we do is get children into homes that don't have homes, and the best of the best is getting them adopted.
Is this one of those days when you're glad to wake up and come to work?
In spite of how early it was, yes, I am.
That's great. How many families are we seeing go through the adoption process today?
Last count was about 20.
20. And it's a rather long process, isn't it? I mean, there are efforts made first to assess the family and if it's possible, to reunite them. Isn't that true?
When children first come into care, the first thought is to try to reunite them with their family, with their parents. And usually efforts are made to do that. There are a few circumstances where it's obvious from the beginning if a child has been abandoned and you can't find parents and they've just plain left the child at the hospital. Those go a little more quickly. Mm-hmm. But yes, we sometimes can spend up to 2 years trying to reunite a family. And then there are hearings along the way. There is a proceeding to terminate parental rights. Once in a while there's an appeal from those findings. So it can be a long and sometimes rather stressful situation, particularly for a family who's waiting to adopt a child.
I was going to say, are they just really, is relief a big part of what you're going to see today?
Yes. I think a lot of the relief comes when the termination of parental rights is done.
Yes. Because
that sort of puts them on a track where they can feel somewhat confident of getting to this day. But yes, this would be a great unfolding of joy and relief for a lot of folks.
And do you keep up with some of your clients who are, I don't know if client is the right word, but some of the children who come through and are before you?
Well, interestingly enough, sometimes I see them because their parents are coming back to adopt some more.
Oh, wow.
I've had a couple families this year who have come into my office for an adoption. They said, "Do you remember us?" I said, "I certainly do." And I've had families that have adopted 3, 4, and 5 kids.
That's beautiful. Well, Judge Boyd, it's a great day, and thank you for speaking with us.
Thank you.